Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be reviewing a brand new product. Actually, it's not too brand new, I just got it. It is a Temptu Air Airbrush machine. And compare it to my previous version of an airbrush machine, watch. Oh my gosh, this beast, which weighs probably 16 to 20 pounds. Actually, already my hand hurts to hold it. It has a lot of parts, a lot of wires. It is super heavy. It vibrates like crazy. It's so loud. If you're gonna drop it on your foot, it's down. It's gonna be broken. It takes a lot of room in my kit. It's so heavy. It's ridiculous. I am so happy with this purchase, and I'll show you how to use it today. I'll be doing my whole face makeup with this. I just received it yesterday, and tomorrow I'm having a client, a wedding, and I decided to practice on myself today and show you guys how to work with it. I mean, seriously, it looks so flawless, so healthy, glowy, it's so bridal. I just love it. It's so natural. I can't say enough good things about it. I'll definitely be using this on myself. It's small enough to have it on my desk every day, so why not? Come on. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful thing. Please like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys and I hope you enjoy the video. Mwah. So let's go ahead and start. I just washed my face, it's clean and squeaky. As my moisturizer and base, I'm gonna apply my favorite lotion by Peter Thomas Ruth Water Drench with the Hyaluronic acid. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer by It Cosmetics by Under Eye in color medium. First of all, it's a little thicker, so it's gonna hide all the imperfections on your face. And also, I don't really like spraying the airbrush foundation very close to my eyes, especially after I'm already done with my eye makeup and eyeshadows with the lashes, not to mess that up. And I'm gonna set this concealer with my airbrush powder by Tilbury in color white. This is my favorite powder to set the airbrush makeup as well. That's it with my first prep step. Now let's go ahead and jump in with the most interesting part. I'm getting my Temptu Air Airbrush machine. Comes in the box like that. Here it is. Look how tiny it is. It comes also with a wire, but it doesn't have a plug like this. So this is from my just iPhone. Also, it has a USB plug, so you can plug it into your laptop or your car. The insert is right here and I charge it overnight. So let's see how it works. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so tiny. I also purchased 2 AirPods like this with the brush. I heard from another makeup artist that they actually get clogged after about 3 months of using, depending on how often do you use them also. So I always like having some backups in my bag because I don't want to get strangled somewhere on a wedding with a broken airbrush with a clogged AirPod. So I would like to have 2 with me just in case. Sometimes they actually run a special on it, 3 of them for 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna break the seal. I can see inside the same needle. And here we're gonna pour in some foundation. It says first light air, detail work for spot correction, speed 2 medium air for foundation, blush and bronzer, and speed 3 full air, highlighter and larger areas, decolletage and arms. So this is just air as you just turn on, and as you start putting some pressure on this level, it starts coming out. Awesome. Alright, so for my color, I usually mix 2 and 3 together. Silicone based foundation. My most used colors, I'm gonna tell you right away, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I buy in a huge packages. And all the colors I have are just the little things like that. So we're gonna use the manual. We're gonna start on a number 2 the power number 2, and I usually spray from my out of oval of the face, narrow it down. I'm also working in circles as my previous airbrush machine. After waiting just a couple of minutes, look how pretty my skin looks. It's super flawless. It's glowing. It's not greasy or anything gross. It's just so pretty. It's glowing from within. It's super bridal. Ah, I love it. I'm gonna use it every day, I'm telling you. It's not noisy. It is so small. It's compact. I love it. I love it. It's gonna be on my desk every day. It's gorgeous. Look at this foundation. Oh. Now I'm gonna rinse this off and I'm gonna do my bronzer. So also thing that I've just learned, you have to tilt it upwards, actually downwards, just a little bit, because the liquid foundation leaks down here. So if you have just a little bit of it, you have to tilt it down. For my highlighter, I have 3 different kinds. I really like mixing this color 50. It looks like a strobe cream by MAC. I love it. And also highlighter slash blush in color Champagne Shimmer. It looks so pretty together. And that's it with the airbrush part. Look how pretty my skin looks. You can't even tell I have any makeup on. It is so flawless. The layer is so thin, but at the same time there is enough coverage to cover all my blemishes. I'm absolutely in love. Look how pretty it looks. And this highlighter, it's not like super bright in your face. It's very soft, bridal, very natural. It makes my skin glow. Oh my gosh. Love. I want to use it every single. I'm gonna finish my makeup off the camera and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. And this is the end result. Look how pretty in a couple of minutes my skin turned out to be. It is so glowy. It is gorgeous, flawless, so healthy looking. I love it. I'll definitely be using this on myself a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I love you and I'll see you very soon. Mwah.